Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Nick from DeCryptoCat, where we focus on DeFi and all other types of crypto passive income sources. First of all, let me say Happy New Year. Welcome back everybody. I know my videos have been slim, but it's been a busy holiday season. And first of all, I wanted to apologize if my audio is a little bit different and if my video is a little degraded. I'm working out of my mom's basement up in Michigan. I'm here for a whole month taking care of her. Which is kind of unfortunate. You know, she's in a lot of pain, but I digress. Anyway, I just wanted to apologize if the videos are a little bit different in quality because I'm working off my work laptop, and my second monitor is actually a 32-inch Roku TV that I have plugged in through HDMI. So I'm working with what I've got, so it is what it is. But anyways, I wanted to do a little video for you guys, get back into the swing, get back into the new year, and talk a little bit about the Animal Farm. Forex made a little announcement today, so I thought we'd go over that. But first of all, if you like passive income as much as I do, don't forget to please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and click the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Also, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's purely for educational research. Anyway, so as always with my Animal Farm videos, I start off showing the TVL of the whole Animal Farm. We are 115 million currently. Of course, that is way down from where it was. I think it was like 160. We hit a high, I think it was. But that's to be expected. You know, crypto market in general, it hasn't been doing so well. As well as dogs have been seeing a decline, a consistent decline from people selling off of their stake. Pigs has been up and down a little bit. It's overall it's trending up, but it's bouncing up and down a little bit. So right now it's in a little bit of decline. So anyways, that's part of why the TVL is down. And of course my wife is calling me right when I post a video. I feel like Lee. Hey Driptopian, now I know what you feel like. All right, so let's get into it. Forex made an announcement today that said $250,000 of BUSD was injected into the Pigpen vault. $650,000 worth of the dog tokens were burned. We can see that the game theory of the Animal Farm is starting to do its thing. We knew there would be an initial sell-off when the first wave of stakers have reduced their tax significantly, and we want to push them out before we really start putting our capital to work. Big things are right around the corner. So that's a great thing to see. $250,000 injected, and last week I think was the first automated one, and we looked at that one, and that was actually $500,000. So I don't know if we can expect every week to be 250,000 or more, but I would say that's a pretty good baseline to start off with. So we'll just have to kind of see what happens over the oncoming weeks here. But if we go to my Pigpen over here, we can see that there are 340,471 pigs locked. We now have $1.9 million in their rewards vault. That was at 1.6, 1.7. There is, what else did I want to show? Pigs and circulating supply is at 40,738. We burned 47,000 pigs. So that's all looking pretty good. If we go down to my personal stake here, we can see that I have 15.7 pigs that are staked. And currently I have about $20 in rewards with 0.01 pigs that I can cycle back into it. And with that, I've been, kind of withdrawing. If you saw my last video, I'll put up a marker for it up in the upper right, but I'm kind of deciding to take this money every week or two, more likely every 2 weeks, and cycle it back into the economy, or rather into the ecosystem of the Animal Farm, and alternate buying pigs and dogs and drip. And then maybe a fourth one I'll take, into my own wallet so I can return on investment. But that's where my wallet is currently. But I wanted to just kind of point this out, that with this rewards vault growing, if it continues to grow at that pace, just kind of extrapolate what we can see here. So right now we're at this mark. This is where we were before the injection, and this is where we're at now. So we're at 1.9 million. I guess I could have put commas in there. That would have been easier to read, Nick. Next time I'll do that. So anyway, with 1.9 million, we take 3% of that. 3% is what's divvied out every day from the rewards vault. So that gives us $57,872 to be divvied out for all the pig stakers. And this is the amount divided by the current amount in the vault. So I extrapolated that down and assumed that each week we're adding another 250,000. Now, of course, that is going to vary depending on how many fees are collected over the week from the farms and from the dog sales and various other ways that the reward vault is accumulated. But I'm just using it as a base figure to show this point. So similarly, the number of pigs staked is going to change too, so that'll change this amount a little bit. But bear with me here so that I can get past this point. So anyway, this is where we're at now, and we're figuring, if we add $250,000 into the rewards vault every week, we could, get up to a nice point. Or right now we're only getting 17 cents a pig. If the rewards vault hits $10 million, we could be getting 90 cents per pig per day. So you can imagine, just extrapolating that out, that could be a pretty healthy income if this keeps up. So let's pray it does, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I thought that was kind of interesting. I was just kind of wondering about how that 250,000 injection, affected my daily output of per pig dollars there. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Real quick video. I hope y'all are had a great holiday season. We're all back to work now, unfortunately, but got to pay the bills, right? So anyways, guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has been, don't forget to smash that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification. And until next time, don't forget that when you follow DeCryptoCat, passive can be massive. We'll see you guys on the next one.